So now to another quick operator tutorial. If we go over here, I wrote it so we can save some time, and here we have the decrement / increment operators right there, and these operators will basically increment or decrement your variables values, okay, as you want them. This one will this one is pre-increment, and this is the post increment, and this is the pre-decrement, and this is the post decrement right there. So this one will increment your value and then returns, and of course the variable x right here represents any kind of variable, just a symbol representation for a number. Okay, and this one right here will return the value and then increment it, and this will decrement your value and then return it, and the last one, which is the post decrement, will decrement your will return your value and then decrement it. Okay, it's kind of confusing when you see it at first, but when you try a bunch of examples it will clear out any confusion. Okay, and let me try out some examples. Let me create my variable right there. Let's set it to 10, and if we echo out the pre increment for it, it will be plus plus, and then the variable name, it will return 11. Okay, it will only increment it by 1. Okay, so if I comment this and try the post increment num, okay, and just like that, it will return only 10, because it will return the value and then increment it. Okay, so if we go to our third one, let me comment this out, and if we go right here for the post decrement, echo was and num, just like that, and it will give us 9 because the the pre decrement decrements this value right there and then return it. And if we go to our last operator, echo out num, subtraction sign, two subtraction signs, and then just end it with a semicolon right there. This will give us the 10 as it is, because it returns the value, okay, and it will increment it. So this is it for the decrement and increment operators. They're really easy. The most famous scenario for using them is going to be in the loops, which we will discuss later. Okay, so see you in the next video.